Good morning. This is Team Igniters, and this is our submission for the 2025 Smart India Hackathon for the problem statement SIH25062. This here is an ATRH sensor. Its role is to capture the atmospheric temperature and relative humidity. It then feeds the data to a Modbus converter, which is then feeding the data to the port converter, which is then being read by our device. And this is a small portion of our working prototype. And now I'll show you the UI and how it is reading the sensor data and converting and showing it to us in the form of Celsius and percentage. So this here is a backend UI for our sensor data collection. Now this here means that the COM9 port is reading the data which is being fed by the port converter. In my particular device, it is being read by COM9 port, but it can vary from device to device. The baud rate is set to 9600 because we want our values in 4 variables only. The slave ID, which is the universal IoT device ID assigned to every unique device, is 52 for this particular ATRH sensor. And now I'll go ahead and connect this sensor. Now I will connect this device by pressing on this connect button. As we can see, the device is not yet giving the readings because we have to press on the start reading button to input the readings first and convert that reading by dividing that reading by 100, and then it will give the temperature data in Celsius and the humidity data in percentage. So I'll press on start reading. Now we can see in my area right now the temperature is 30 degrees Celsius and the humidity is almost 63%. We can see the data is being read over here, but we can't do anything much with this data. So we have added an option to start logging. If I press on this button, this will create a CSV file which will log the data in every 5-minute interval, and it will save that file in my device in a local directory, which I can later access to review or create a statistical analysis for the same. So I'll press on start logging, and we can see that this particular file dated 2025-930.csv is logging all the data which is being fed by the ATRH sensor. Now I'll show you the actual professional dashboard which we are going to use for the deployment of our project.
This is AgroSmart, a smart farm management app that puts the data in the farmer's hand. The dashboard shows overall farm health, water levels, irrigation schedules, and active alert in the real time. Each field is monitored individually, highlighting critical zones, warnings, and optimal conditions. Farmer can check soil moisture, track trends, and even run irrigation instantly. Water usage is optimized with the rainwater harvesting insights, daily consumption tracking, and automatic conservation alerts. With AgroSmart, farmers save water, reduce losses, and make smart decisions all their phones. AgroSmart, the future of sustainable farming.